Hello everyone. Today our topic is stock price movement classification, analyzing up and down trend in stock market. Our problem title is stock market prediction. Introduction. The presentation explores the classification of stock price momentum into two categories, up and down. By using hierarchical data and machine learning technique, we aim to predict the closing price of the stock, helping investor to make informed decision in stock market. Presentation outline, problem statement, dataset description, data exploring, data summary, data visualization, feature engineering, model development, problem solving and result analysis, model evaluation and conclusion. Problem statement. The objective is to classify stock price momentum as up or down based on historical data. This is a binary classification problem using machine learning models. Predicting stock movement helps trade and investor to make informed decisions. Data description. The data contains 500 records with 18 features including stock price, open, high, low, close, volumes. Technical indicators like SMA, EMA, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band, ATR, and price volume changes according to the price changes 5D, volume changes, target variables, target 1 up, 0 down, data exploring, checking for missing values non found in the dataset, data distribution and summary statistics, correction among the features, ensuring balanced class distribution for targets. Data summary. The dataset is well structured, containing 500 rows, 18 columns, no missing values, target distribution according to it should be calculated.
Hello everyone, my name is Smith Makars and I will continue with data visualization. Histogram for stock price distribution, box plot for detecting outlier in open, high, low, close prices, correctness heat map to check future relationships, scatter plot between technical indicator and price. Next is future engineering, normalization of numerical future to improve model performance, future selection to retain highly corrected attributes, splitting database, first is training set is 80% and next testing set is 20%. Then model development using logistic regression for binary classification, model training step, load process data, split into training test sets, train the logistic regression model, make prediction and evaluate the model. The next is understanding stock price movement. Understanding stock price movement is circle for investor aiming to make strategic financial decision. Price movement can indicate market trends, investor sentiment, and economic condition impact investment returns. Thank you.
Hello, myself Krushil Lukhi. I have visualized the data visualization code in multiple libraries import in pandas, numpy, matplotlib, seaborn and sklearn, and create a synthetic dataset in data frame. CSV file load in the dataset are model predict in logistic regression in use make prediction evaluate the model are confusion matrix and classification report print the confusion matrix and print classification report in predict the data, visualize the result in logistic regression in the up and down movement in the market, visualize the features importance in model importance in the up and down in marketing, stock marketing, visualize the code and visualize the features importance in marketing and features importance are shown in the graph. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself is Bachani. I will continue with prediction target closing price direction. The primary objective of this analysis is to predict whether a stock closing price will increase or decrease based on historical trading data. This is framed as a binary classification task utilizing the logistic regression algorithm to assess pattern and make prediction. The second point is framework binary classification with logistic regression. The analysis utilizes logistic regression, a statistical method for binary classification. This model is ideal for predicting outcome based on previous data, especially when dealing with the two distinct categories like stock price movement up or down. Logistic regression calculates the probability of target variable being a part of a certain category based on input futures. It applies a logistic function to model the relationship between the independent variable and the binary dependent variable, allowing us to make informed prediction based on historical stock data. Next is overview of dataset futures. The dataset compares initial future necessary for analyzing stock price movement. Key features include previous close, the closing price of the stock from previous day, volume, the total number of shares traded, and opening price, the stock opening price of the day. These features serve improve predictive power by providing context around price movement. The target variable price movement indicate whether the price increase or decrease the following day. Increase means 1 and decrease means 0. Next point is data characteristics and record count. The dataset contains 500 records offering a robust sample for analysis. The record consists of historical stock trading information that spans a significant time frame, allowing for comprehensive analysis of price trends. The inclusion of 500 entries ensure enough data points for training and testing the predictive model to achieve a reliable outcomes. Next point is target variable definition. The target variable is analysis is price movement, which indicates the closing price movement of the stock for the next day. It has two categories. One represent an increase in stock price means up, and zero represent decrease down. This binary nature allow the logistic regression model effectively categorize outcome based on historical pattern, making it straightforward to determine potential future movements based on the past data. The conclusion is, in summary, the framework established for classifying stock price movement through logistic regression provides a promising approach for predicting future market trend based on historical data. By utilizing key data features, we can gain valuable insight into stock price behavior, enhancing decision-making strategies for investors. This predictive model help in understanding market dynamic and improve financial outcome through informed investment strategies. Thank you everyone for listening us carefully. We hope you like our presentation. Thank you once again.